Hi, it's Kozue. I got some nail problem in 2023 because of gel nail. Since then, I've been using nail lacquer, but sometimes I use gel nail. I'm gonna be doing my nails with gel nail today. I'll be extra careful to avoid gel on my skin and cure gel well. I'm gonna paint petroleum peel off base coat. It's got the humor. I'm gonna cure it very well. I'm leaving a little gap in the cuticle area. If you paint it on the tip of the nail, it will peel too soon, so I'm gonna clean it with a Q-tip. I think this is easier than leaving some gap on the tip while painting the base coat. Tinted base coat from CanDo. The shade is called sheer pink beige. It's not that difficult to get as close as possible with this base coat, as it's not runny at all. It's kind of weird that I move the brush back and forth many times because I can't do it with nail lacquer. I'm so used to nail lacquer now. I thought drying time with nail lacquer is long, but now letting gel self-level and making the perfect arch take more time. I want to give it a white shade and opacity. I'm gonna paint milky white from Seria. Painting gel nail is harder than I remembered. It's pretty tiring because I'm nervous not to touch my skin. Got patchy a little, but it should be okay as I'm gonna paint magnetic gel later. Pearl Barberry from CanDo. I've been wanting to use it on my nails. I'm painting it on the whole nail and letting particles lift in the center with a magnet wand. I can't get it desired. I'm gonna paint matte top coat before using chrome powder. I'm gonna cover my skin with washi tape. I don't think this protects my skin well from gel nail though. Gel nail gets through even nitrile gloves. I'm gonna wipe it with ethanol and rub it with a makeup sponge. Excess chrome powder will come off easily this way. A stamping plate from Temu. Icing gel black from Seria. Its texture is perfect for stamping. Do not worry for me, it's not a credit card. I'm cleaning the excess gel with a Q-tip. I can't see it well, so it's hard to decide where to stamp. Chrome powder from Born Pretty. You can clean excess powder with washi tape, no problem. So this is something I didn't do well. I put rhinestones on washi tape and painted foil gel from CanDo to avoid putting my hand for 3 minutes in the lamp. It's so difficult to handle the rhinestones this way. They stick well on the tweezers but not on the nail. Well, I managed to put 2 on the nail. Now I'm gonna paint top coat. Now I'm thinking I should have used much smaller rhinestones. Never mind. I cleaned the top of the rhinestones with a Q-tip. The thumbnail is done. I'm gonna paint petroleum on the little and ring fingers. I can't do 4 nails at one time. Flash cure. I'm gonna cure the little and ring fingers together. I'm gonna paint sheer pink beige. Yeah, it smells a little funky. Have you ever used this gel? I wonder if it lasts long. I'm gonna paint Pal Barberry. Flash cure. I'm gonna paint milky white on the ring finger. I'm gonna finish the little finger with top coat. I'm painting Pal Barberry on the ring finger and designing the particles. Oh, it looks good. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, oops, it's gone. I guess it's okay now. Matte coat before using chrome powder. Ethanol and makeup sponge. Temu's plate again. Oh shoot, I forgot to put washi tape here. I clean it right after stamping. I thought it was silver, but it looks gold on the nail. Cleaning it with washi tape. And that thing again, the rhinestone. I could have painted clear gel nail and put rhinestones on it, but I'm kind of concerned that the gel under the rhinestone won't be cured well, because UV ray doesn't reach there. Top coat to finish this nail art. The middle and the index fingers, pedaling the peel of base coat. Sheer pink beige. By the way, I've been thinking about making a Q&A video. Would you ask me some questions? Well, not now. Save them for the future. Pal Barberry. My ring finger is funnily straightened. I did the same art on the right hand. This circling was super difficult to do with my non-dominant hand. I saw some videos where they use a paper cup as a guide. Maybe I need it. Getting ready for chrome powder, I'm painting matte coat. I'm gonna finish the index finger nail art. Ethanol and a makeup sponge. A brush rest from Daiso. I'm gonna draw some lines with top coat from CanDo. Finally, I can finish. Oh no, I have to do my right hand nails. Alright, I did all the 10 nails. I love how glossy they are. I'm gonna watch my nails for any anomaly. My right hand nail art looks like this. It's a little simpler than the left hand. Actually, I prefer right hand nails. I really like the ring finger. I used pink chrome powder after stamping. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.